we're going to review the process of downloading cancel policies through Bridger Auto. Now, Bridger Auto is a company that we used to process a lot of applications maybe over 12 months ago. We currently do not offer Bridger at the moment, but there's a few policies that may be canceling. So we want to make sure that we follow up with these customers. So you log into the website, you're going to go to reports, you're going to go to cancel policies. This is similar to the Aspire website, by the way. And then you're going to, most likely, you're just going to choose today's date. So let's do that real fast. Every single day, you're going to check the website just to see if there's any additional. So you're going to select the date, and then you're going to select as of date, which is today, always today. And then you're going to go to view reports. Actually, you need to select the status. We're going to choose canceled. And then it's going to give you a list. In this case, there's actually just one policy that was canceled. So we would generate the Excel. But just to make it, to add a little bit more leads, let's just choose August the 1st. So cancel policies, let's select view report. And it seems like there's 5 of them. So that should be good enough. Now you're going to go to generate Excel. And once again, this is exactly like the Aspire website. So most likely the options are going to be practically the same. So let's open up the Excel. It's always going to be under sheet 2. So there's actually about 7 or 8. So it's very easy. You're going to set it up in a way where it matches the Google Sheets. So the name of the customer, then the policy number, then the home phone number. As you can see, there's an email. We don't need this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy the policy information into column D. So it could be the name, then the policy number, then the phone number. So let's delete column B and A since we don't need it. And we're going to actually transfer over the current status. So matter of fact, let's leave column A. So we're going to transfer current status, so it could be under the call results or the status of the call. And then you're going to delete it from here. So you have, let's open up the Google Sheet. You have your status, which is the status here, customer's name, policy number, phone number, and now we're going to keep the cancellation date. So status, we don't need it. Cancellation date, balance due, amount due, we don't need these two. But since we're going to keep the reason of cancellations, the best thing to do is just to clear the information. So clear the contents. And then the notice and the last 2, you're going to delete them. So once again, it has to be in order, the same way that we have them on the Google system. So once again, the status, customer's name, policy number, phone number, cancellation date, the cancellation date, and then you have 2 empty columns, and then you have your notes. So as soon as you're done, you're just going to copy and paste the information. Let's delete these. This was for a different exercise. So you're just going to paste the information under status, and then you have your status, customer's name, policy number, phone number, cancellation date, and the notes. So everything falls into the right place. Now you're just going to add a 1. Then you can just copy and paste the 1 for the all the leads that you have. So there's a total of 10 leads. And as soon as you're done with this, you're going to put them in, sort them by alphabetical order, just to double check to make sure there's no duplicates. And technically you're ready to upload it to the dialer so you could call them. So once again, you go to the website, you go to reports, then you go to cancel policies, you select the date If you're doing it daily, then you're just going to select today's date. So let's say the 24th and 25th as of today, which is the 24th. And then you're going to select cancel. I mean, if you're looking for a different category, you can select the expired, for example. Let's check expired, or you can select both cancel and expired. Probably is going to be the best thing. Expired technically means that the policy was up for renewal and they decided not to make the payment. So let's check both of those. So as you can see, it seems like there's just one. So you would generate the Excel, and then it's going to open up the Excel. You're going to go to sheet number 2, and of course it's only one. So even if it's only one, you still need to fix the information. So once again, the status, you could just copy and paste the information under column A. Now you got to remember column B, which is a policy. You need to transfer it where the email was at and then delete it. So you have your status, customer's name, policy number, phone number. You don't need these two for now, so delete them. Cancellation date, the balance and the amount, you're just going to clear it, and then you're going to delete the last two. So I mean, it's very basic, it's very easy. You're going to get accustomed to this. This is very simple. It takes 10 seconds, 15 seconds to do it as soon as you know exactly what you need to do. And then you would just paste the information. As you can see, everything is transferred over the right way with the proper information. You're just going to add a 1. So if you set them up in order from the Excel, the way you have them, the way we have them here, then you just copy and paste, and it keeps it within the same organization system. You don't want to have a cancel here and then the phone number here, and then it's all over the place. It's not organized. So once again, follow that system. Is very easy.